Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy oil sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to form the base. Next, prepare 1/2 cup of good quality chili flakes for that beautiful color and heat. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns for their unique numbing sensation, and 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic for aromatic depth. Now, let's infuse that oil with incredible flavor. Gently heat your 1 cup of neutral oil in a saucepan until it reaches about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the sliced garlic and Sichuan peppercorns to the hot oil. Let them sizzle and release their aromas for approximately 2 minutes. Once fragrant, strain out the solids, leaving behind a beautifully infused, aromatic oil. With your aromatic oil ready, it's time to build the chili base. In a heat-proof bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of chili flakes with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. These additions balance the flavors beautifully. Carefully pour the hot, infused oil directly over the chili mixture. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle as the oil cooks the flakes. Stir everything well to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Finally, let's perfect and store your delicious spicy oil. Allow the oil to cool completely to room temperature. This helps the flavors meld and deepen. Once cool, carefully transfer your vibrant spicy oil into a clean, airtight jar. You can store this flavorful condiment in the refrigerator for up to 3 months, ready to elevate any dish. Enjoy it on noodles, eggs, or roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.